want to become a journalist. That means I want to become daddy.
What is a journalist?
I want to become a TV journalist, somebody who probably read news, or you know, whenever them have any crime, them always there the crime attack, and I say reporting to you live from TVJ. Listen to me, man. Right now me late. Me not even have no phone to look at the time, but me late and me I go left right now. Hello?
Okay, welcome.
What's up?
You alright?
Yes.
Yeah,
I miss you too.
Don't ask you. I'm going to look for you now.
Me don't know. I'm going to have to tell my brother something so he can... I'm going to have to tell him something or buy him sweetie or something.
No worry about that, man. I go to supermarket and I buy some fitting for him to keep him silent.
Yes, you have to do that so him not talk or tell mommy.
You know, I have something for him, man, to keep him silent. No worry about that. So
Yeah.
where your mother be?
Hmm?
Where your mother be?
I don't know where she there.
How she go market?
I don't know. But I think today she a go market.
Today?
Yeah.
You know what time she left out?
I'm not sure. She not normally left out in a specific time, but I always before 12 o'clock.
Before 12 o'clock. So, alright, I'm coming to about 1 o'clock.
Alright then. But you have to...
Just call.
You have to call me so I can see what they go on or make you know. That's nobody not see you.
Alright, baby.
Alright, love you.
I love you too, baby.
Sister. I.
What you do? What you do? What you do?
Come no man, mommy, mommy want beat me.
Beat her for what?
Cause he see me put one girl up there, so I do.
What make you stay, sir? What make you stay? Go and go hide before mommy come see you. Hide behind the curtain. Hide. And me not pick up back for you again. All you want that tell you. And don't make no noise, cause I know you love laugh.
Lexi,
Yes,
the big
mommy.
boy.
Mommy, me not know a big boy. Remember you said him go buy something.
Big boy, me just big boy has up the road and him run come down. You know come in here.
But see ask for her, mommy.
Me see him run come down at the gate and you know see him come.
No, mommy, me not see big boy, mommy.
Lexi, get up. Cause your face look like you know which part in there. How you look so?
Me not know where him there, mommy. If me didn't know, me that tell you.
Hold on. Cause you see who know? Love take up for people. Watch me.
Me not take up
If
things.
I lie you they tell, me we know. Don't worry yourself. Lexi, where big boy?
Mommy, me not know where big boy there. Me
You don't know
just
where big
say-
boy there?
Me not know, mommy.
Alright, anyway. Don't worry about that. How your place looks so?
Mommy, you did say if you pray up your bed and me pray up your bed.
And you go back and pull you up again.
Me I lie down, me
Anyway.
lie down.
Me I go in town.
Yes, mommy.
Me I go buy ice cream for you. And me I go buy one cheese chips for you. And me I go buy sweetie for you. And me I go KC. You want to come?
Yes, mommy.
You want KFC too, mommy? Around the say did there? Big boy come out here to me.
You idiot, you me tell us if it. Sorry.
Come on, ass. Don't shout in my ears again. Big boy. Around the say there. Look for you. This. Look here. Look how you turn. Look how you turn. You not even come down, come bathe. You're just big and sweaty and crave and gonna bust your ass. Wait, hold
Don't
on.
come bathe.
Hold on. Oh, you're not tapping here. Tap in here.
Tell him to let me go. Don't touch me. Beat him, mommy.
You gonna tell me what to do? You see you? You want a little layered. You're not get no KC nor no ice cream. You get up. What they do with Cutie in the piece of house up there so?
Mommy.
Me see you
Mommy.
and Cutie up there, they dugu. You can't tell me no lie.
Mommy, we never did that.
Me see you. Me see you and Cutie. You come here too. Come here.
Mommy,
come around
I
here.
sure, me dey sure
Come back
the
right as a
duck and
stand up.
snakes.
May you tell if you move?
No, mommy.
Me dey sure duck and snakes, mommy.
Your brother and Cutie. Where girl name?
And that you up there, son.
I woman named Cutie. Already girl named Cutie where they do
The
right.
two of them I think name Cutie, mommy.
Well, whatever it may be, you and Cutie they up in the whole house up there, so they do good.
A joke. And then I first in it, mommy, in
So
do
you
it
know
with
about-
Sherry. In do it with Sherry, you got leg up.
Mommy, me never did a dugu, mommy.
Where you in the house though? When me come catch you they do?
Me did a sure the duck and snakes, mommy.
Duck and snakes. And take off all your bag and hat and everything. They wind up and girl. Come here.
Let me go.
You fear man. You're too late. Watch out. See that me nearly just say you. Come here. You two want to come back in here so to me. You're too out of Go on inside. Lexi. Looking at my eye. Me nah go beat you. Where your brother there? Yan him just run and go. Which part you know? Where's your brother there?
Jump the fence.
Jump fence.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, no worry about that. You can go and tidy up the place. You see that boy there? Your brother watching me and him. No worry yourself about me and big boy. Yes, when I hold him, he will see which got him a serve. Make him go on. Tidy up the place.
So you left him at your mommy.
He so run left himself too.
And then I don't know, first him a juke pan girl. He juke pan girl over school already and the principal beat him.
So how the principal not call me attention to that? And you not tell me.
But him give me sweetie and say me not fi tell nobody.
You see why I beat you? Because when I beat him for what he do, you start chat out when they do. When you should have tell me before, that is the reason why I beat you. I never beat you just so. For nothing at all. You can't keep secret like that. You should have tell me already. God, that boy need to take up his book.
Yes, mommy.
If you know me, no. Let me talk to you, turn around and look at me. If your brother know me, no. Anyway, him put down the money when they give him to go a shop. He go pick up your back. Whether I last, he give girl, or him take in me, me need back the money. Because I have to buy something good to eat. You hear what me say? Okay. Me am going this up. Me soon come back. Straighten out the bed and tidy up the place. Me soon
Yes,
come.
mommy.
Alright. That boy, big boy, wait till I hold him.
That's Sarah. Check out the floor.
Lexi?
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
You finished tidying the place?
Alright, madam.
Alright. Anyway, I go to market, go buy something. So, you can fix up yourself and bean or something.
Yes,
I go
ma'am.
hold a fresh.
Yes, mommy. I have to come with you. Come with you feel tired. Because you run me down.
You know, say you're a girl child. You're a girl child, you can't follow a big boy. A matter of fact, you're bigger than him. How old are you?
15.
And your brother how much?
12.
I don't even know your brother age. Your brother is 10.
10.
He will look big. That's why I call him big boy. He's a 10-year-old. So if he say
Mommy,
big,
and he put in him trouble in my school, so the only reason him name Big Boy is because him love to eat.
well, I pick them. Now worry about that. I go hold that fresh.
Fat and
Because
stubborn.
I have somewhere to go. Lexi,
Yeah.
I go to market go get something for the house. Wake up. Wake up. May I talk to you?
Yes, mommy.
You hear what me just say?
Yes, mommy.
Market me I go get something for the house. So just take up your book go and study and any little thing around the house for you just do it. Me soon come back.
Yes, mommy. Buy something for me.
What you want me bring for you?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes, mommy.
Look on your teeth them how they nice. You're ready for them spoil, don't?
Mommy,
Me
I
no
don't
want-
eat chocolate every day.
Listen man, when me they talk, do not talk. Just listen.
Yes, mommy.
Too much sweet is not good for your teeth them. So they will last one me they buy for you. You hear me?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, and behave yourself in but I come out of the yard, you know.
No, mommy.
And when big boy come, me no want you to friend him up and they tell him when me gone or whatever, you know, cause me will want catch him, you know, anytime me catch him, I go and give him some lick. Watch him and him. Me soon come back, you know, so me love you already.
Love you too, mommy.
Alright. Later, me soon come.
Yes, mommy. You can't come now. Mommy gone. Nobody not there. Only me one. Remember if you carry snacks them. Come we have to use the snacks them to make big boy come out of the house. Alright, me a wait, you know, me a wait. Alright. Hurry up and come before mommy come back from market. Alright.
Where's my money gone?
Don't lick me, cause mommy say you have to come back in here.
Let me chop then.
Take up your ugly chop them and go on.
I'm not going nowhere, right?
Go on before mommy come back and see you. Okay.
Big. Wow.
Wow. You can snap.
There it is.
Yeah, money, you know.
I don't know, but I go shopping and look something for you.
Don't give me banana cheese.
Oh, you want that stuff?
I lost can eat big boy.
Alright.
Give me banana chips and juice.
Let me see what in my bag.
Then I carry bun and cheese every day. Then I have fear.
If me not get the butter and cheese, me I tell mommy when he come.
Babes.
Give me. Nah, give.
Babes and
He
picky.
always do this.
You know he stay.
You always come and come here. The last time you come and come here.
Babes,
You tell you promise.
Just give me now.
The last time.
Nah,
Alright, don't care
give.
about bun and cheese, yo.
If me not get him.
You're a piece of candy.
Give me. You care about bun and cheese, yo.
Here.
The thirsty.
So you better say that buy nothing for
Thirsty,
yourself.
man. 2 minutes for a rush. Go some water for me now.
Alright.
Big bread.
Big boy, go for some water for me like you get the banana cheese and the
Thirsty,
Please.
bad man. Body a bun.
Hurry up, here. Move fast.
Don't play with my truck, you know.
No. You get it what? Go feed water now. Big boy, go feed water now. Yeah. Big boy, go feed water now. Stop behaving like you're an idiot.
I'm not saying myself.
Alright, sit down back and play the time. Sit down and play the times on the big boy. You want money?
How you come from?
You want money?
Boy,
Much money you
I'm
want?
hungry now.
$1,000.
You crazy?
No cook shop about the place.
What you do $1,000?
Babes, no cook shop about the place.
Yeah,
If
man.
me not get $1,000, I chat.
Give me $1,000.
We party cook
If
shop.
me not get $1,000,
No, give me $1,000. You know what? No, give me $1,000. No, give him no
But
food.
I want something for me. You can get $8,000. You buy something for
give
me.
me $1,500.
Alright, give him that. Give him that now.
Yeah, buy
Ma,
something
Ma,
for me.
give him that now.
How far cook shop we find yourself?
You know, fine, man. Good this.
Then I don't get by your phone.
Alright, when I come back I get this.
Give me a game off your phone.
Buy one food for me. When I come back, alright.
Give me a game off your phone.
My phone battery dead.
Me have charger.
My phone battery dead and I
Yeah,
can...
You know, no charger. Give me
When
money.
I come back I get the
My friend have charger.
$1,500. Go buy one food for me. When I come back I get the $1,500. Hold on pan still I come back. Go buy the food for me. One medium fried chicken.
Hurry up and go and take long, you hear?
No, make nobody play with me chuck, you know?
No, but now you chop big boy. Go on. Take long, you hear?
One for buy.
One food, one medium fried chicken for him and take it $1,000.
So come with me and walk go shop now?
No, you them I say no. Let's go on now.
Wait there, who see me water gun?
You left your water gun down at Johnny. Johnny have your water gun.
But me can't go road without my water gun.
Who you shoot?
What?
Go on.
Me have to look for my water gun.
You know in the so Johnny have it. Go on. You ask Johnny for.
I'll get the food for me and come back now. Before people them come.
Me have look for my water gun. Me know where you want from my sister.
Me no want nothing.
You don't want nothing from me. It's just a good old
Where you
friend. I'm
talk
a classmate. Sit down,
I come,
man.
come.
Man, sit down, man. Sit down.
Sister.
No, me come.
Man,
She go help me with my homework.
right, sit down, man.
She help me with my
No,
homework.
sit down, no, man. Can't tap in like I might need feel like a fight where I
That's why
fight.
get the food for me and come back now.
Alright, sit down.
That's how we live when we are at school.
You want my water gun?
Why water go in?
I don't know where they tell you say Johnny have it.
Alright, give me back your money.
Yeah, I go line and that's it. I take back your money from you.
Me go shop.
Go on. Sure, Jesus Christ, man.
Wait there, mommy a come.
What?
Mommy a come. Hide.
Shit. What? Which part mommy there?
You out the door.
Shit.
Mommy!
Stop jump up it. You
Mommy.
think your father buy it?
Me have something to tell you, mommy.
What happened? What they going right for?
Me have something to tell you.
Why the place look like this?
Mommy?
Come on here, sir. Come on here, sir.
You tell
Me have
mommy.
no eye behind me. Stay right there.
Mommy?
Where they go? Turn up. What? Me explain on yourself.
Mommy, look right there, so.
No, me not look. No,
Mommy?
turn up.
Me have something to tell you.
Oi. You
Move
think me
now.
couldn't catch you? Eh? You think me won't catch you? Come back here, so. Come on, lads. Boy, are you in the chat too? Where did the run go?
Mommy,
Mommy what? Let me tell you something. You see if you don't want me bust your ass, give me back my money when me give you if you go a shop. Give me it. Me need it now. Just give me it.
this have Miss Pansy money this mommy.
Miss Pansy, how much money me give you if you go a shop? Eh? You can't count boy. Give me.
Mommy,
Give me. Give me.
Mommy can go drink some
Me
water.
give you $1,000. Me need back $1,000. You go find Pansy money. Go back this one, manas. You need one PP until
Mommy,
me come
let me
in
tell
here.
you what, Lexi.
What happened here? So why the place look so? What happened?
Don't let me.
You not explain yourself. You not just stand up so. What going on in that place? What make the bed look so?
Mommy, Lexi, one boy,
You see no boy come here, you so lie. Sorry, man. Sorry.
Me a wait for you to explain what they go on in that place. Why the bed look so? Look on the floor. All this a boy here. Every day you get up and play with damn chuck. I'm going to sell you back. Where they go? Don't make me see you back with them.
I tell mommy by you know.
What you tell mommy say?
Big boy, explain what they go on in the house.
Yeah, give me 1,000.
Mommy forget us
Oh,
that
this a look serious, man. You not keep secrets from one another.
Mommy, you
So, oh, no, talk. Look how long me come. What problem?
dude in the bathroom and a flushy.
Eh?
Big boy.
Mommy, Lexi have one man on the bed, mommy.
Wait there. I never want the money. Come here. Come back in.
Mommy, look at that bed, mommy. Mommy, look at that bed now, mommy.
Anybody under the bed, you bend down and take him out. Can feel your body bigger and see me, you're strong. Take him out. Blood of Jesus. Why? What are you doing at me house? Come out.
I won't work. I won't work.
How are you?
No, I won't work. I won't work before I part.
Homework. Show me the homework. Show me the homework. You know, get from back door.
phone.
On your phone?
Yeah.
So you come at me here without book and pencil. For the homework.
Up on the phone, you go work then.
Show me the homework. Who you come to over here?
Lexi.
A big boy you come to her, Alexi.
Big boy.
Come back around.
Me no, mommy, me no know it, mommy.
No, come
Allah,
around.
yeah,
Come around
yeah.
here. Come around here.
Allah, yeah,
Come around here, sir. Lexi, come in here so to me.
Me now come here,
Come in here so
me.
Lexi, come in here so to me. Come in here, I want to know where this man you doing at my house. Can him look like a man to you? You're a little pitney, you forgot your age.
I know
15.
my boyfriend is
Come
my
around.
classmate.
I'm going to give it yourself. I never asked about boyfriend. I say, who him?
I'm my classmate, mommy.
So who tell us you can invite man in our house without my consent?
Because you never there and nobody there, me scared and me call him.
So me not no phone. I feel phone
Mommy,
there.
I third one this week, mommy. Every time I go road, you tell man come on, mommy.
And you just a chat. So you just as I want to gain to keep that a secret there. Because this a boy a chat out everything and this thing keep you a secret. What problem?
Mommy, your
What
last,
go on right here?
mommy,
so?
your last one I come, he make me drive the market.
Shut up. Mom, you lie, Mattel.
Him can butter and cheese come give me, mommy.
What you mean? More than one man they come here, sir?
Every week.
Mommy, I lie.
Hold on there.
Hold back there. Hold on.
Don't go left me,
Where
don't
you
go
at?
left me.
Boy, never call police for you. I want if you know say a little pitney this, underage. You how much? Big old great one boy like you. No feel left a little pitney them alone. Come back here.
17. Me no know what you're talking
17. And you look like a 30-year. Boy, no
Mommy,
call
make you
police.
take off me at mommy, I look on your face, good.
Me see your face, you know if you take care. Boy, go your yard, come in and want to lick down. Look here, little girl, you have to go explain. I'm the care doctor, me have to go start check up on you
Me
regular.
never do nothing, me are still virgin.
You're sexually active.
No, mommy.
How you care money?
You know,
Shut up. Cause you're one of them too. I keep secret from one another. So you a big woman, I big boy, you're a big man now. I wanna run things in my place. Put on your damn blasted chuck. That's why you're so damn fool. So go inside and knock about nobody in. Are you do your schoolwork? Why the place look so?
mommy, a big boy a jump on the bed with the chuck them. Every day he have a dirty chuck them on the bed, me and me and wash the clothes them.
You know what? Go wash your plate. Cause it come like the more me lick you know, I more no get worse. Lick me have nothing to do with it. Punish me or punish you. Go wash your plate. You. Make sure say you go be you see you sweaty and take off it damn blasted bag from your back. You idiot boy from me by the bag you know and take off it. You gone with the chuck again, you want the cat. Make me catch you now. You no come back around and talk to me. Go wash your plate them Lexi. Out of that. Look like I say you forgot with the kitchen there. Go wash your plate. Wash the plate them. You for your manners. You know no man. Where you come back here for deeper. Wash the plate them.
Yes, guys, welcome to Paradise Nation, a day in the life, and right now we're there in a Falmouth now. You see me?
Well, we're actually. By the way, guys, you know it's a girl LEXI the best from. You see the face, you hear the voice, and we're there at Falmouth Public Hospital across. Over there, so yeah, man. No, you don't go swim. You can just go chill.
Oh,
and
just
you know,
chill.
So you're feeling down or you have any stress or any little thing, you go slump and look rock them.
Yeah.
And you go and breathe.
So hold on there. You was down by the Richard Brown's film on Jammy and was shooting. What was the experience like working with the whole
Yo,
Richard
me I
Brown
tell you,
films?
the vibe up, and me not normally click with people that easy. You see me? But the vibe what Richard bring on him, you all around and the team, fabulous, fantastic.
I know, say a Jamaica movie we do, you know.
Yeah.
So you know, say normal, and LEXI is from Falmouth, and you know we go all over the place and use talented people, see
right.
me. So
and you get the right talent, you capture your thing properly, and you just put in the work.
So tell the people about yourself, LEXI. Introduce yourself.
Alright, as me say, it's a girl LEXI the best. I am a I'm a comedic actor, I'm not a comedian. Alright, I'm a comedic actor.
What difference?
The difference is I act funny. I'm not a comedian. I don't do stand-up comedy, or don't expect me to see you in person and give you a joke.
You're funny.
No,
No,
not that. Listen, I'm a comedic. Alright, may I give you an idea. You know, what a tick guy the name, man? A tick. Durak isn't a comedian. But you watch, when I watch somebody show them, I get joking, do some little joking sometimes. I'll probably never go up on that show. I do some little gimmicks, like I can act funny. You can see me in a video, and when you watch it, you laugh. But it is not me in reality.
So basically, you're saying you're not a normal person then? You're not a regular normal person.
But yeah, I'm not a comedian. I'm a comedic actor. The viewers gonna know what's a comedic actor, and I'm an influencer as well. I have a lot of things because I'm an.
You say you have a lot of businesses. Tell them about
I have two businesses. Nobody got crap. Nobody got give people enough of my interest.
Oh.
Anyways,
you have people.
Yeah, I have a ear business and I have a lingerie, nightly, gowns, vape, lip balm. I have a lip line as well for your cracky lips and all of that. But you know you can always follow me, LEXI the best. Let's get down into what me that I deal with right now.
Yeah.
So as me I say now, I'm an actress.
Yeah.
Me do acting. Boss gun.
In a movie.
Boss gun. As me can play bad role, can play the villain, I can play the good character. Any role you give me.
You're ready for it.
Ready for that long time. Up and running.
So hopefully next time I'm here, you know, want to see, you know,
yeah,
in the movie.
And not cutting you. I am coming up with my own movie soon. We just want to finish write it. Because I don't know normal movie. A real top movie, alright? So what you say wanna know, mister?
Want to know about Falmouth, man, our place there.
Falmouth is the capital of Trelawney. And Usain Bolt went to the William Knibb Memorial High School in Falmouth.
Which school you go?
I went to Albertown in Trelawney. Top Trelawney. Yeah, big up Albertown High.
Albertown people, big up on yourself.
Red dirt and the yam and the strong yam for the country girl, and that's why the town man them not stop come down here, them a left them woman at town and come a country. And them know why, alright? So you see you have this nice beautiful tree when you come sit down, and you enjoy yourself properly. You don't have nothing to worry about. Alright? Yeah,
so she's LEXI the best is our Instagram name and our
and
YouTube
not only
name.
LEXI the best is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, everything.
People use Twitter?
Twitter is one of the most trending app in Jamaica. But you guys don't really gravitate to it because it's not a place where you can post video. So you gravitate to it.
Yeah,
because as a social media person, TikTok is good to use, and it's something where the latest things come out on it. Tweet.
You have an audience on Twitter? Yeah,
When I was at A76, all of us were everybody did that trend, but she never used Twitter. You anything happen, it trend. Anything that the world,
Me have been
trend.
but I don't really use it.
Yeah, we
really.
never use it, but
Me
after a while,
we don't really use social media,
significance
you know,
for
so
it.
if me jump on one way, see me panning for 1 week and then
Yeah.
next week and me a post nothing funny. You see me?
But yeah, man, like for real.
But it was really nice working with you, Lexi. Well, shooting, because
Yeah.
I was doing the filming
Yeah,
and
you
Richard
and
and
Richard.
yeah, Akeem ran fire them.
Yeah, Akeem is a good.
How much meals yeah?
Collaborate with?
Yeah.
A lot. I collaborate with a lot of meals. Video shoot.
Much man, well, I don't want to say it on its own. How much money are there with in that movie?
How much man me there with? 4.
4.
First of all, that was my idea. That's why I say the role you give me, I play it. I play it to the best of my ability. So no matter what kind of role.
So you're ready for it?
If them give me Mary up above.
But I not tell a lot of people, I love to work with Lexi.
And the thing about it, guys, I could have done way better. I did well, but I could have done exceptionally.
It was the first movie officially.
It was.
Officially,
apart from the TV reality and all of that.
Yeah,
I did a movie in Montego Bay, but we did the first part, and you know, nothing more back from the people them.
So welcome to Jamaica #1 movie industry.
Yeah, man, we have to pick them up. Because Richard alone, I really do this, like gravitate. I see other little sketches, but Richard
you come around and see how people them deal.
Yeah, man, Richard see more. A lot of Jamaica people doing movies, but out of everybody, I kind of gravitate to Richard, because Richard kind of have Richard and the team, all of you, you have the look, you have a mindset towards movie. You know, some people do movie and 5 years before you hear back from them. Movie if you come out, movie if you pump YouTube, if you milk YouTube, and that is how you create and you build the strategy for your channel, for the Richard Blount channel, and people loved it. People love to show them at, you know. So
you feel like say if we're going out and now people will know me?
I tell you, it depends, you know.
You want to take a walk?
Yeah, man. It depends on.
We're not going out.
One place, at least one place.
Alton. You know, say somebody are going to see Alton and say, Ray, you know that third is. It don't make no sense.
No, it's up to him. It really up to you.
We not take no time, people, so we are going to see all the people.
Yeah, we're not going in the night, brother. We're not going in the night.
On the night. We are businessmen at just 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
Yo, Lexi,
big
Lexi, big them up and tell them so later.
Yeah, people, so big up on yourself, big up Richard Brown Films, big up Paradise,
Nation
said we, big up everything, big up Akin. We have a big editor around here, and we have actor, multi-talented, him can do everything, come like me, alright? So big up on yourself, people, you know, it's a girl LEXI the best, and we're going to deal with what this man I say I'm going to deal with right now.
Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe,
yeah, man, always
like,
subscribe.
share, comment. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, man, I have a YouTube channel, CM LEXI the best, alright?
So, we are going to miss you now. For one little day.
For real, like the vibes. But me I come back. Me tell Richard say me I come back soon and fast. I love the vibes, you know, and that movie there, you need to hurry up.
I know this movie now, man, not normal, Alex.
Yeah, man. Yeah, tell us about it.
Ready for it, Alex, and normal.
Me I know, me really I feel it though. I'm feeling it.
Now give me that look there. You remember when me did tell you?
You know me not like that about the man business. Yeah, me think of some school thing I come with.
See, me? Never ask that. What was school thing? Girl, serious?
If daddy ever knows say this, you come over here, come tell me.
Your father never know now. When man watch it. That's something I want to show you.
Wow. What's it?
Girl, we sweetie. The boy give me one phone for you. Not even that alone.
With Spice, funny.
I'll tell me your favorite artist, Spice. Watch ya. Girl loves Spice. Take time. Me say, Spice and everything, the boy check for you. The boy really love you, girl.
But actually, me
the boy I'm mad over you. You're affy.
Yeah, I want iPhone.
Of course, an iPhone. If you been off high school, look for me scrummy.
Can't
come
take
to
this actually.
iPhone.
If my father ever see me with this, he might go beat me and he might go mash up it.
Oh, your father go no.
Oh, me want hide him and he go there make nice.
So, me go call your name something. Me have to call him, I have to text you, tell him see me give you one phone. My mother come from foreign one day. Because he asked me.
You don't want me accept nothing from you either.
Why?
You know if you
tell him say my mother. Tell him say my mother give. I know some mother a nice woman, you know, say, you know, can you ask me how this dip on my foot and tell him, say, my mother give me, say, me will take care of Baba. What we give for the strict, sir?
Wait, so boy, which boy?
You know, remember Alton? The boy will drive the markets.
Zachary?
Silver markets. Zachary.
So wait, my market stop me today. I am. Ashley, really, Ashley?
Girl.
Ashley, like
Yes,
really?
I'm happy for you.
Happy for me, man. Him not there. If you happy for me, me even know him. Who him be?
I saw you go know him. You don't know him.
Ashley, you can't. You go behind me back and do them something, Ashley.
Girl, that's our best thing. Our best friend, that's what friends are for.
Ashley,
We do the best thing
Ashley,
for you.
listen, me I have friend Ashley, but you can't keep on and what me go do with this not bad, cause me can say I me buy, but when me, you know how much we have for Ashley? $200 my father give me for go to school. If he catch me with this, what me go tell him Ashley, I iPhone this and Ashley, you know this expensive.
Me can carry go to school for your morning time, and when the boy you call you just answer it out. You know?
Ashley, me not really
You have to
want a
find
boyfriend, Ashley.
Girl, the boy am mad over you. Good, mad. Think about it. Everybody in the school have their man. And you alone have no man. Everybody say you're a clown. Because you don't have no man. School just a teach about how to go in a government, go suffer.
I not
for
suffer,
them.
I want to be a journalist. And after I left school, I go college and then university.
You go work for people.
It no matter.
Your mother go spend money, your mother and your father tell you about school. I spend them, I spend money.
But actually, it's better that me
take
gone
money and
with
save
man.
the girl. Save the money.
Let me go put this, let me go hide it.
Keep your phone. Give me one of the earrings, then you can give me one of them.
You can't take them, I can't even know when me tell him say me get them. I real gold this
You don't
too.
want nobody to me not to them. I real gold. This one is real silver.
Can't, you have to take this. You
one
can't go take that. This look cheap.
Leave her put on to make your father ask me. You know? Why your man is trick your fault. Your father.
Good guys, good. But you have to come back to your senses.
See it? You never have no phone. And that I just said, oh, if you don't have no phone, the boy can buy a phone, girl.
Listen to me,
Anything
my daddy.
you want, you can
My
buy.
daddy
You want
say-
watch, you can get the time, phone. Girl, come on, be realistic.
My daddy say,
You're the outer space, you're the behind a time. Oh, you don't have no phone, me you can't all text on WhatsApp. Put away, man. Me you cannot text on WhatsApp, girl. Your
Listen
people
to
them
me.
too strict.
Ashley, my father said me not if have no phone and even catch me with no phone and go mash up it. Me alright. If me fi study, me will lose textbook and if me fi call nobody, me borrow a call, but me no want a phone.
Girl, you can't trick me into coming to school. And what me I try to tell you, say, you go see it in a longer run, you know. You
Me
go
don't see
it
in a
some
longer
never
run,
run.
Ashley.
Of course. You're gonna see.
Listen to me.
Lexi, open up your eye. Come like them blindfold
You
you.
open up your eyes.
Open up my eye. Me see, you know,
We are young girl, you take up big people for your head, big people things for your head, I go to man and
no
I change.
school, you know.
Alright, me see you later. I don't know most of you because my father don't really want you over the house again. Because
No,
he might hear a bag of things about you. And if he see me with you, he go beat me. So me go have to start hide and talk to you now, Ashley. Are you cause this by yourself, you know, Ashley?
But me, cause,
Can
girl,
make it good.
just think about the phone. Think about the boy. May your friend may get some time. Think about the phone, think about the boy. The boy have money. Get anything you want. Sort it out. Your people them do not have to know. You can't tell me say they are school and now you tell the people them say they are OT, you know. They have to believe you. Because they don't know the truth. You not tell them no lie. You just hide it from them. May I go down here, sir?
Alright, me take what you're saying into consideration, but if you do better. Later.
You love school. What school are you?
always say I want to become a journalist. That means I want to become daddy.
What is a journalist?
I want to become a TV journalist, somebody who probably read news, or you know, whenever them have any crime, them always there the crime attack, and I say reporting to you live from TVJ. Listen to me, man. Right now, me late. Me not even have no phone to look at the time, but me late and me I go left right now.